The Spectrum TV app is a powerful streaming platform that brings live television and on-demand content directly to your devices. Available for Spectrum TV customers, this app transforms how you watch television by providing access to your favorite channels anywhere you go. The app is compatible with a wide range of devices, making it incredibly versatile for modern viewing habits. You can install it on iOS and Android devices, smart TVs from Samsung, streaming devices like Roku and Apple TV, gaming consoles including Xbox, and Android TV or Google TV platforms. One of the most useful features of the Spectrum TV app is the ability to manage your favorite channels. This personalization feature allows you to create a customized viewing experience tailored to your preferences and viewing habits. Creating a favorites list is straightforward and provides quick access to your preferred channels. Simply navigate to the channel guide, select the channels you watch most often, and add them to your favorites. The heart icon indicates channels that are already in your favorites list. The app also allows you to set a default startup channel that will automatically play when you open the application. This feature ensures you immediately see your most watched content without having to navigate through menus every time you launch the app. For families with children, the Spectrum TV app includes comprehensive parental controls. These controls allow you to filter programs by channel or content rating, ensuring that younger viewers only have access to age-appropriate content. The popularity of the Spectrum TV app is evident in its impressive usage statistics. Charter Communications reports that over 10 million customers use the Spectrum TV app exclusively for their video content, with users spending an average of 128 hours monthly on the platform, significantly more engagement than many other streaming services. It's important to note that channel availability may vary depending on your market location or other service restrictions. The Spectrum TV app provides a personalized and flexible viewing experience that adapts to your preferences while giving you control over what content is accessible in your household. Spectrum is transforming how customers access entertainment by integrating streaming apps directly into their TV packages. This modern approach combines traditional cable with popular streaming services. Spectrum provides convenient self-service tools that allow customers to upgrade streaming services and add apps through the My Spectrum app or Spectrum's website. These tools work for both bundled packages and internet-only plans. Spectrum TV Choice offers a customizable approach to cable television. You can select exactly 15 cable channels from a pool of over 60 available networks, giving you control over your viewing experience and costs. Spectrum is bundling popular streaming services like Peacock with their TV Select packages. This integration means customers get both traditional cable channels and premium streaming content in one convenient package. The Spectrum TV app comes preloaded on Xumo Stream boxes, providing seamless access to live TV, on-demand titles, and popular streaming apps all from one device. This creates a unified entertainment hub for your home. Spectrum offers 3 distinct apps, each designed for specific purposes. The Spectrum TV app is for watching content, the My Spectrum app handles billing and troubleshooting, and the Spectrum mobile app manages mobile accounts. Understanding which app to use ensures you get the right tools for your needs.